Hey guys, this is Austin with Leisure Time. So today we're going to do a little bit of a pillow unboxing, if you will. We're going to go ahead and be replacing this 78909 pillow here on this hot tub. So when you order this pillow from us online, this is how you're going to receive it. It's going to come in a nice plastic bag, and you're going to have the part number here as well as the manufacturer's name here. So you can be guaranteed that this is an OEM part. So we'll go ahead and open this pillow up. Get it out of the plastic bag, set that down in there. So this is just your standard hot tub pillow here, and on the back here you can see that we do have the two areas where the clips are going to be inserted. So in previous videos we've talked a little bit about this pillow retainer kit. This is part number 74569 on our website, and in the event that your clips for this type of pillow are broken, you can go ahead and order this from our website alongside the pillow, and we'll send them so that you can go ahead and replace your pillow. So in this video we're not going to be replacing this because our pillow retainer kit is just fine. So we are going to go ahead though and start removing this pillow. So these pillows remove by kind of unclipping one of the sides. So you can go ahead and get your fingers under both sides, pull towards you, and then just push off so that it is removed from this backside clip. So we'll set this old pillow off to the side. Now that we've got our new pillow unboxed, we can go ahead and inspect the pillow retainer kit, make sure that it is in good shape. And like I said before, this one is fine, so we're not going to go ahead and be replacing it. But now once we got this pillow here, we can go ahead and try and figure out which side's going to be easier to get the clip on. In the event that it's easier for you on this side, all you're going to do is pull and clip it on like that. Or if for whatever reason you were standing on that side, you can clip it in on this side, push or pull, and then get it clipped in. So now that that pillow is on there nice and snug, it shouldn't move. It definitely should not be falling off. So if it does fall off or it's coming loose, the very first thing you want to check is these little screws here, make sure that they're tight. And then again, you will want to double check that the plastic is not broken here. So once you get that pillow on, then you should be good to go. And then you can go ahead and do that with any other pillows that you might have on your hot tub. And in the event that you do have to replace this, usually 74569 will be required per pillow. So just keep that in mind if you do need to order that. So this has been a fantastic video with Leisure Time. Go ahead and follow us for more content, like, subscribe, and let us know how we're doing. Have a good day.